Hey there, this short video is going to talk about traditional submission in Schoology. Not Google Drive assignment where we're giving them a template, but a traditional submission. As a teacher, you just make the assignment. You don't do anything special, you don't open a special app, and from a student standpoint, you'll get a button that says Submit Assignment. Why do we like this particular type of submission? It's nice because you can generate your own document. Sometimes you don't want to give a kid a template. You want them to start their own document on their own device. You can create content directly into Schoology using the Create tab. You can connect to your Google Drive if we're talking Chromebooks. Now students can submit their Google content. And then finally, you can submit any file or create a video right in Schoology. So let's see how it's done. I'm going to come into my test course here. And I'm signed in as Johnny Schoology, and here's my traditional assignment. And I know that because the Google Drive assignment app hasn't opened. It's just the assignment. There's the pictures, videos, directions that the teacher has put in there for me. And out to the right, I have a submit button. And in my case, I have a resubmit button because I've done this a few times. So all I do is follow the directions, create the document, make the slideshow, do whatever my teacher has asked me. And when I'm ready, I simply click the submit button. You'll see this menu pop up. You have 3 tabs because there's 3 different ways you can submit. The first tab is the upload. You can click File here and grab any file from your device, a PDF, a Microsoft document if you're using Microsoft Machine, pictures, whatever you need. But this is really cool too. If we click audio video recording, you can actually record your audio or video right here into the software and submit it back to your teacher. This is great for an alternative submission, video or an audio submission in class. Great to do instead of a traditional essay sometimes. This tab's pretty nice. If I click Create, I can create content right here into Schoology and simply save draft if I want to come back to it later and submit when I'm ready to. My favorite tab, however, though, is the third tab, and it's the Resource tab. This is where I go to submit Google things. And this is why, and this is how. When I click Resources, I click Apps, and then there's another app baked into Schoology here called Google Drive Resource App. The very first time you log in, it's going to ask you to allow Schoology and Google to talk. You will get a pink error bar here at some point, and you need to make sure you go to Options, Account Settings, and then click Connect to make sure you connect to the proper Google account, the account that you're trying to connect to. Once you've done that, you're going to see the contents of your Google Drive right here in Schoology. So now if I've created an essay, a slideshow, something for my teacher in Google, I simply select that particular document I've created with Google software. I click Import and Import File. It will turn it to a static document, a PPT, a Word doc, is something static that your teacher will see, and there it is right there, and my teacher can open that and grade that. It's also nice because as a teacher, let's jump in from the teacher side real quick. As a teacher, you're not checking your Google Drive, you're not checking emails, you're not trying to find all the assignments. You simply go to that assignment, and right here to the right side of your screen, you will see all the assignments that have been submitted. You click the student, and you can start grading the work that they've turned in. So it's pretty handy to grade and go through assignments this way. This is Schoology Traditional Submissions.